Them a do, what them a try? Where you try do? Eh? You try come out of the seat belt? You mesh? Eh? You want me to fly the gate? Fly the gate. See me fly the gate there. See me fly the gate. Yes, I fly the gate. Eh? I want to fly this gate too. I want to fly that gate too. Eh? In boy? Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and I'm actually here with Amesh in the car, just relaxing a little. It's a little bit cloudy, but I just want to make this video, family, because as you know, guys, AI is actually, is the new thing in the information technology space right now. So, I'm just trying to make a vlog using AI to find me the content. I'm using AI. So I said to the AI, tell me 10 things everyone needs to know about Jamaica. So 10 things everyone needs to know about Jamaica, family. And I'm making this video for you using AI. I'm just gonna, what they say, I'll just elaborate on it based on my Jamaican experience off the top of my head. So I'm just here with baby Amesh. He's walking around, and I have to watch him properly, family, because he will fall and hit his head. Seems like he wanna go down there. So what I'll do, I'm gonna put him down there. I'm gonna put you down there. Come, let's go down. Let me put you down there. Come. Yeah, family, that's Amesh down there right now, crawling up and down. Moving up and down. He's so busy, buddy. Amesh, where you going? He's actually coming up. I hope you can go back down when you're ready to go back down, because I'm not putting you down. I'm not putting you down. You know that? I won't be putting you down. You know that? You know that, right? I won't be putting you down. That's what you want to do. Eh? That's what you want to do. Eh? Mind your fall. Yeah, family, so as I was saying to you guys, I want to make this video. 10 things you need to know about Jamaica. Everyone needs to know about Jamaica. So if you haven't been to Jamaica, family, you need to know these things before you go to Jamaica. So guys, on the location and geography of Jamaica, it's an island. It's a country located in the Caribbean Sea. It's the third largest island in the Caribbean. So if you never know that, family, Jamaica is the third largest island in the Caribbean. The third. I know Cuba is bigger than Jamaica. What else I know? So if it's the third, I think maybe Dominican Republic, maybe then Jamaica, family. I think I don't know if Haiti and Dominica is in one. Santo Domingo, I don't know, but I have to check, family. So if you know that, comment. Let me know the first and second. Before Jamaica, that is larger than Jamaica in the Caribbean. And so it's the third largest island in the Caribbean, and it's situated south of Cuba and west of Hispaniola. The island shared by Haiti and Dominican Republic. Yes, as I was saying, Santo Domingo, family. So, as you know, that's the geographical location in Jamaica, of Jamaica. So, the language, family. The official language of Jamaica is English. However, Jamaica Patois is a vibrant and expressive Creole language. It's widely spoken among the locals. Yeah, family. So, if you never know about Jamaica, that's the language, and the Patois is what we actually use to identify Jamaican. Also, you can use to identify a Jamaican if you're in the diaspora, if you're in foreign. You can locate a Jamaican by the walking style. By the Jamaican walking style, you can actually see a Jamaican. Jamaican walk and bounce. They walk and fling them, and they have this bossy walk, that they'll walk, and you can tell that the person is a Jamaican. Also, family, you can tell that somebody is a Jamaican. You know, as I said, based on the patois, based on the language and the twanging and the language, you can tell. Most Jamaicans are so proud of the patois language that everywhere them go, them still try to speak, so you can know that they're Jamaican. And even me, when I travel around the world, people just meet me, and once they hear me ask for something, they say, "Can you speak patois for me?" and these things. So that kind of feel very good to see that people worldwide want to actually, you know, speak the Jamaican language. So, you know, that's some of the things you can tell that someone is a Jamaican. Yes. yes, family. So anyway, you go to Jamaica, we always stand out. We're always doing something for you to see them, something funny, something outstanding. You know, as you know, the fashion to, you know, based on how they dress. And one thing you can use to notice a Jamaican when you go overseas is like they will always have something about Jamaica. See me, I have my flag here. So anywhere I go, you can know I'm a Jamaican. Jamaican is very patriotic family. So anywhere you go, you can just look, you'll see something about them that says Jamaica, even a chain or something family. So that's how you know a Jamaican when you go around the world family. Third, culture and music. Jamaica is known for its rich culture heritage, vibrant music, and reggae music scene. It has produced globally renowned, you know, musicians like Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, Jimmy Cliff, who have contributed significantly to the development of the reggae music family. So as you know, guys, there's different genre of this music coming up in Jamaica. You know, it's ska, mento, reggae, rocksteady, you know, dancehall, all of these things. Now them have a new one where them call name, you know, they have a new one where them call, I don't know what them call this one. What them call it again? Comment below, family, if you remember the new genre them coming out, the new boy them are sing nowadays. I don't even listen to these new boy music, to be honest, family. These nowadays song, I don't even listen to them. You know, I think the last good dancehall artist we have is Massacre from the new age. Maybe Alkaline them, but all of these other little young ones just come out in maybe in 2020 or, you know what I mean, maybe 2015. Nobody don't really know about them because, you know, they have a thing where they start to like copy the American style of mixing, fusing it with the dancehall music, and you know, you cannot understand what they're saying, and it's just like they just, you know what I mean. Yeah, it's just like a break off of the music, the trap dancehall. It's just like in America, they have trap music. Not even trap music, but trap dancehall family. They try to infuse American music, and it's like them. I don't know what they're saying, family. So I don't even listen to those music. I don't even, you know what I mean, pay attention. And most of the music now is more like, you know, choppy line music and all of these music. But I said music is just a cycle, family, and it will come back around to the real music where you can find words with meaning, where you can relax and meditate to family. Those are the music I like and respect. As it goes, as you know, guys, Jamaica, as the spiritual music is reggae music, family, if you never know. You know what I mean? Music, reggae music is the spiritual music. Yeah, family. So the music actually, you know what I mean, if you're driving in your car and you're hearing any music, you might see a Jamaican bumping his head, you know what I mean, singing out a Jamaican music. You go to a supermarket, you go anywhere you hear Jamaican music play. You know, as a Jamaican, you know every Jamaican music from maybe the 90s to 2000. You know those music word for word if you're a Jamaican and you're living overseas, family. So you can tell, you know what I mean, that person is a Jamaican based on how he's vibing to that music that is playing. So, and number 4, family, sports. Jamaicans are passionate about sports, particularly athletics. The country has a long-standing tradition of excellence in sprinting and has produced world-class athletes like Usain Bolt and Shelly and Fraser Price. and Veronica Campbell Brown family. Just to name a few. We have people like Asafa Powell was the first man to actually hold the record before Usain Bolt. You know what I mean? We have Ewan Blake. We have, you know what I mean? A lot of these guys is in my time, in my age group. We have so many more family. You know what I mean? You know, we have Warren Weir, all of those persons back in the days when they used to break all the records, family. So just to name a few, when you come on to sports and sprinting, Jamaicans are like, you know what I mean, we know around the world for that. The world know Jamaica for Usain Bolt and Shelley and Fraser Price family. So when you talk about the cuisine family, Jamaican cuisine is flavorful and diverse, influential by African. It's actually influenced by African, European, Indian, you know what I mean, you know, cultural tradition. Popular dishes like include jerk chicken, ackee and saltfish, curry goat, rice and peas family. But as you know me guys, you know, growing up in Jamaica, you know, we used to enjoy those food as a child growing up. But as I actually, you know, start to understand health and, you know, how I used to feel eating these foods back in Jamaica, you know what I mean, I get to understand health and I really don't really eat, you know, Jamaican food. I try to create my own style of food that, you know what I mean, that suit me. So, but Jamaican, everybody go to Jamaican for the food, and as a Jamaicans we like spicy food. So even though I might be eating more plant-based vegan food now, I still try to find a way to spice it up a little bit, family. So, you know, just the food, you'll know a Jamaican, you know, by the food. If you go to a Jamaican house, you know that, you know, they cook the Jamaican style and the Jamaican way, family. So, you know, it's just, everybody know that Jamaicans, when they come on to cooking and the flavoring of the food and stuff, you know, we have this thing, we have this style, and pattern. The number 6 family, tourism family. Jamaica is a popular tourist destination known as its running beaches, lush rainforests and vibrant culture. Visitors can explore attractions such as Duns River Falls, Blue Mountain, and beautiful beaches of Negril and Montego Bay, family. So as you guys know that Jamaica is a popular spot for all the celebrities. I don't think there is no celebrities that has not been to Jamaica. So, you know, when you come on the tourism and the beaches and, you know what I mean, parties and, you know what I mean, you talk about Jamaica, family. So, you know, Jamaica is on the top of the list when it comes to tourism, family. Amesh, what you doing there? What you doing? Tell me. What you doing? What you doing there? Eh? Tell me. Da da da. Da da da. Da da da. Da da da. Baba. Baba Yango. Baba Yango. Baba ba. Baba ba. Yeah, family. So we come down to tourism, family. And number 7, we actually have the Rastafarianism. It's a closely associated with Rastafarian movement which originated in the island in the 1930s. In the 1930s, Rastafarian is a spiritual and cultural movement that emphasizes social justice, equality, and the worship of Haile Selassie, the former emperor of Ethiopia, family. So, you know what I mean, as a Jamaican, you know that the closest religion that Jamaican can actually attach to is the Rastafarianism. And, you know, as you know, when it comes to Jamaica, I remember actually in Jamaica, you know, working in the call center, and, you know, when person hear the accent and ask if you're a Jamaican, the first thing them ask you, do you have dreads? When I was here in Kenya, my wife family was asking if I have dreads. So, you know, as I say, Jamaicans, the first thing a person might actually want to think, are you a Rasta? Yeah, family. So, but most Jamaicans, they don't have the Ras, family. But they actually have the levity of the social justice, meaning that equality, like justice for the people and stuff. You know, Jamaicans are like that, and that's the reason why Jamaica actually helped, you know, to fight off colonization and slavery, because Jamaicans have that strong, you know, that strong ability when it come on to like equal rights and justice, family, and when it come on to spirituality and stuff, you know, Jamaicans are like that. So if you go anywhere in the world and you know a fighter go on, you might really, I don't like you can see a Jamaicans there trying to part the fight. I you go you see a Jamaican trying to defend you or something happen. A Jamaican is just bold and they try to actually, you know, find peace in everything for truth, rights and justice, family. So so number 8, family. Jamaican has complex history influenced by colonism, slavery, and the struggle for independence. It was a major hub for the transatlantic slave trade, and you know, gain independence from the British colonial rule in 1962. Yeah, family. So as you know, guys, Jamaica is well known for like Marcus Garvey and stuff. All of these people, people that we don't even know about, that used to use the British law to help even free most African country. You know, Jamaicans actually help them to actually gain independence, family. So Jamaica play a big part in freeing the world. You know, even when it come on to Bob Marley with the music and stuff, you know, when you go down to Zimbabwe to free the people, you know what I mean, and those music uplift people and help people to fight the struggle. You know, when you listen to the music, it encourages you to fight the struggle and to fight for your rights and to fight for freedom, family. The rain is falling. Amesh, the rain is falling. And I'm all alone. And I want to go home. The rain is falling. Amesh, the rain is falling, not true? Sit down because the rain is falling. Not true. The rain is falling. The rain is falling. Yes, the rain is falling. Let me wind up the glass and let's go inside, Amesh. Yeah, family. So we have natural beauty behind the beaches. Jamaica is home to diverse and beautiful landscape. The blue mountain, for example, the breathtaking scenery, hiking trails, and opportunity to sample the world renowned Blue Mountain coffee, guys. So one thing Jamaica is known for, family, is the Blue Mountain coffee. It's up in the rainforest. The coffee grow there, so it has the strong taste that everybody love, family. Blue Mountain coffee. Hospitality. Warm Jamaicans are known to be friendly and warm hospitality. The islands is mottoed out of many one people, reflect the country, you know, multicultural society and the spirit of unity among its residents. Yeah, family, when you go to Jamaica, you just feel the love, you feel the vibes. You feel the vibes, you know. Summertime in Jamaica. Summertime in Jamaica. Summertime in da. Yeah, family, so those are some of this is just a video, family, that I just want to actually, you know what I mean, share with you guys. If you watch this video, you can actually have an idea about Jamaica, and you know what I mean, and you can actually learn a little. You know, whatever I miss out, whatever I mix up, you know what I mean, just comment below, and you know what I mean, each one teach one. Yeah, family, this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. I'm out. The rain, you know, just pouring, and I just want to get inside now. Amesh, enjoying. You enjoying? Mr. Enjoy. Is Mr. Enjoy? Mr. Enjoy. I'm out, family. One love. God bless. Jamaica.